Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valheim mods in multiplayer. To get started, it's crucial to understand the two primary types of mods, client-side and server-side. Client-side mods are for your personal game, while server-side mods change the game for everyone on a server. For a smooth multiplayer experience, all players need to have the exact same server-side mods installed. This ensures everyone is playing by the same rules and with the same content. Let's dive deeper into the difference between client-side and server-side mods. Client-side mods are perfect for quality-of-life improvements that only affect your personal view, like better inventory management or a more detailed minimap. These do not need to be on the server or other players' games. However, server-side mods fundamentally change the game world or rules, such as adding new items, monsters, or altering progression. These must be installed on the server, and by every player joining it. Setting up a modded Valheim server is straightforward with the right tools. First, utilize a mod manager such as R2 Modman or Thunderstore to simplify the process. You'll need to install BEP in XPack Valheim, which acts as the essential framework for most mods. After that, simply copy your chosen server-side mod files into the server's BEP in Xplugins folder. Remember to check your server's launch settings to ensure everything is properly enabled for modded gameplay. To successfully join a modded Valheim server, every player needs to have the identical set of server-side mods installed. It's highly recommended to use the same mod manager as the server host to maintain consistency and avoid version conflicts. Always launch Valheim through your mod manager to activate the mods before attempting to connect. Finally, use the server's specific IP address and port number to join the game and embark on your modded adventure together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.